If your course used to sell, now it doesn't, here's something uncomfortable. It's probably not your marketing, it's not your funnel, and it's not your launch. It's your offer. And one specific thing inside it that AI have quietly made worthless in the last 18 months. Today I'll show you exactly what stopped working and the small shift that turns a course people scroll past into one they actually buy. So stick with me, the fix is simpler than you think. If you've got a course, a program, or a membership that used to convert and has gone a bit quiet, this one's for you. When sales dry up, most people tweak the sales pipe. They redo the funnel or they blame the algorithm. But the thing that actually changed is this. Information used to be a product. You knew something, your audience didn't, and they paid for access to your brain. Now, anyone can open AI and say, teach me how to do XYZ, and get a fairly solid answer in seconds. Information isn't scarce anymore. So if what you sell is mostly information, like here are the steps or here are the modules, then you're selling the one thing that completely lost its value. But that doesn't mean your expertise is worthless. It means it has to show up different. Here's exactly how. One of my students, Stephanie, teaches pregnant mums how to prepare for a calm and confident birth. Her sales page used to list her 5 modules. We didn't add a single piece of content. We just reframed those 5 modules into 5 pillars. The 5 things every mum who wants a calm birth has to master. Same content, but now she isn't selling a course with 5 modules. She's selling the 5 pillars of a confident birth, and that's the shift. Modules are information. A system is transformation. So take your lessons and turn them into a mechanism, a named set of steps or pillars that visibly add up to the result. And once it's a system, you bolt on the second thing AI can't give them. And here's what AI cannot do for you or your students. It can't show you your blind spots. It can't make sure you apply things in the right order. It can't carry you through the emotional blocks that stop you from taking action. And it can't give you community. AI hands you all the ingredients, but it can't tell you that you're about to burn dinner. That's your moat. A system plus the support and the accountability that get people to actually implement it. Information is the warm-up. Implementation is what they're paying for now. And here's how to use AI for you instead of against you. Inside my program, I built a bot called Ada, trained on my own curriculum and hundreds of hours of my teaching. My students get answered in my method instantly, anytime. And that's the move. So don't compete with AI on your information. Put it inside your offer, trained on your unique way of doing things. So it helps them speed up implementation instead of replacing you. So if your course went quiet, don't rewrite the sales page yet. Just look at the packaging. Turn your modules into a system. Build in the support AI can't replace. And you've got something no search bar can handle. Information is everywhere. Transformation is rare. Now, if you want the bigger picture, what actually died in this market, and the one number that proves it, I broke that down in this video right here. So go watch that next, and I'll see you in it.